There's a big storm blowing in from the Gulf of Mexico. Up Virginia 64, this truck has got to go. There's a big wind blowing on my back as the engine starts to groan, to hold it down to 65 and keep it on the road. Big storm, big storm, big storm. Thunder and lightning light up a rainy night. Gotta keep ahead of that big old storm till Greenville comes in sight. I've been up and down these interstates dang near all my life. It's the biggest storm I've ever seen on the coast this late at night. Big storm, big storm, big storm. The wind was clocked at 100 plus and the lightning's blinding light. There's Richmond, Charlottesville, Charleston, yeah, tonight. Gotta keep this truck a-moving, I ain't got time to stop. Gotta make it to that Buckeye State before the morning light. Big storm, big storm, big storm. Thunder and lightning light up a rainy night. Gotta keep ahead of this big old storm till Greenville comes in sight. I've been up and down these interstates dang near all my life. It's the biggest storm I've ever seen on the coast this late at night. Big storm, big storm, big storm. Follow me, I'll get you there. Keep your hands upon the wheel. We'll outrun this big old storm and this truck that's made of steel. We'll put the pedal to the metal. There ain't no time for fear. We're ahead of the storm doing 85 and the weather's looking clear. Big storm, big storm, big storm.